Can we make a pumpkin out of plant stakes and Jenga blocks? Stick around and find out. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So alright friends, now we have this plant stake. It's just a cheapo piece of wood. I think I got it at Home Depot. And I am just marking out 3 different markers. I think it was 8 inches, 7 inches, and 5 inches. And then I cut them. There they are. You can cut them to whatever size you like. Then I have 2 Jenga blocks per little piece that we cut. And all I'm going to do is use some wood glue. And I actually just hammered in a nail in the center. You don't have to, but I did it on both sides. Listen, the only reason why I'm doing this is so that it could be a shelf sitter. And then it's more stable. That's it. Is there a better way to do it? Probably. Then I paint the whole thing with some orange chalk paint. Once that's completely dry, then I go through and I sand mine. Now, if you don't like the distressed thing, don't do this part. But you know who I am. Come on. I love the distressed vibe. So I went and sanded them each pretty good. After I get done sanding them, then I decide, let's add a little bit of brown wax because, again, primitive vibe, that's my thing. And I want these to look like really rustic pumpkins. Again, if that's not your thing, then maybe don't do this part either. You can be done with just the painting. Yay! All right, so I just put, again, brown wax. I'm using a sponge, and then I just kind of wipe it off just because we want to have just a shadow of it on there. Then once I get all of that done, then I go through with it's like a blending pad that I had gotten at Michael's and some black ink. The blending pad, again, is in the Tim Holtz section, and they are, let me tell you, life-changing. I love them. I love them so much. In the little pad, actually, you can buy extras so that you can change them out. I know. But a sponge works good, too. It's fine. Then I take some, what are these? Cinnamon sticks, and I cut them down. I have some wired jute, and I'm just going to wrap it around my pencil. And then I pull it off, cut the edge, and then we're going to make 3 of those, right? Because I have 3 pumpkins. So I have this floral from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using the leaves. So I just pop the leaves right off, cut them in half. Now we're going to assemble. So at the top of that, whatever you call it, piece of wood that we painted, I'm going to glue on that piece of our leaf. And then I wrapped that wire jute around the cinnamon stick, and then I glued that all together. Now, this is where I may have gone a little bit off I don't even know how to say it. I did Spanish moss on the bottom. I don't know that I don't know that I like it, but look at how cute the top part looks. Stop, they're little pumpkins. And they were made out of a plant stake that I got for probably $1.97 or something. It was something stupid cheap. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.